Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol YRCW. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. I don't mean to state the obvious on this one, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive movement, especially when you factor in that at one point the price was literally all the way down there, but it was able to bounce up quite a bit. Now, granted, it did pull back quite a bit from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, definitely a respectable move. But that does bring about the valid question now going forward of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that level is down here at $1.70. Now, why is $1.70 important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but for explanation purposes, one potential scenario is maybe it comes down there and then just continues on down. Now, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as that $1.70 mark. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch going into Friday, going to be right up there at $2.25. So $2.25, public enemy number one. You also, in the more so the near term, want to keep an eye on that purple line right there, which is on my chart. You know, it's the famous 50-period moving average. Current value of that is at 208. But all in all, eventful day. Let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.